This is Boracay Island, a tropical paradise like no other, the jewel of the Philippines, renowned for its stunning beauty and vibrant atmosphere. It beckons with whispers of pristine shores and azure waters. Imagine a place where time slows down, where worries fade with the setting sun, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. This is Boracay, a haven for those seeking relaxation and adventure, offering a perfect blend of tranquility and excitement. The island is small, but its beauty is immense, with every corner offering a new sight to behold. Lush hills meet the sparkling sea, creating a picturesque landscape that feels like a dream. Coconut palms sway in the gentle breeze. Their leaves are rustling softly as if whispering secrets of the island. The air is alive with the scent of tropical flowers, adding to the sensory delight of this paradise. Now, close your eyes. Picture the paradise. Imagine you are in Boracay, where every moment is a memory in the making. Ano nga ba ang mga magagawa natin sa Boracay? Sabi nga nila, Boracay is not just a destination. It's a slice of paradise on earth. So, let's dive why this island is a must visit. Tara, samahan niyo ako. First, ang star of the show is the White Beach. Imagine, naglalakad ka sa softest sand that you've ever felt. So fine. Madalas nga kinukumpara to sa powdered sand. Fun fact, alam mo ba na ang buhangin ng Boracay is made up of coral and shell fragments? It gives the unique velvety texture. It's so pristine, you might just want to build a sandcastle. But wait, bawal yon. Next is adventure. Boracay got you covered whether you're a thrill seeker or a laid-back explorer. If you are a thrill seeker or a laid-back explorer, grab that snorkel and dive into the underwater world. There are vibrant corals and exotic fish just waiting to say hello. And Boracay is not just a feast for the eyes. And it's not just about stunning views and fun activities. It's also about experiencing the local culture. The island is home to warm and friendly people who are always ready to share their traditions. Check out the vibrant local markets and festivals. They are a fantastic way to soak up the island's rich heritage. Here's a little secret. Boracay is also on a mission to stay beautiful. With eco-friendly practices and cleanup initiatives, the island is committed to preserving its natural charm. So let's all do our part. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Keep Boracay as stunning as ever. Akala nyo ba tapos na? Syempre, hindi mawawala ang Boracay's nightlife. When the sun goes down, nightlife kicks into high gears. From beach bars with live music to dancing under the stars, the island knows how to party. Did you know that the island has some of the most breathtaking sunsets? So what are you waiting for? Grab a cocktail and toast to the evening with hues of pink and orange painting in the sky. And hindi rin papahuli ang pagkain ng Boracay. Boracay food is a treat for your taste buds. From street food stalls to gourmet restaurants, you'll find something delicious at every turn. Don't miss out on trying Chori Burger. It's a local twist on the classic burger made with sweet, spiced pork sausage. Hay, ngayon pa lang guys, nagugutom na ako. So, paano ba yan? Bahala na kayo dyan. Panoorin nyo na lang yung rest of the video. Kakain muna ang kabulakbol nyo.